Let's talk about Avalanche, guys. But before we get to the video, guys, gotta do the YouTube thing. Please, guys, help me get to my goal of 2,000 subscribers. So subscribe to the channel, get my notifications, ring that bell, click that so we can grow this channel even larger and more viewers. So guys, let's start the video. Avalanche currently trading at $67.50 with a market cap of $16.5 billion, ranked number 11 on the list, and its ticker is AVAX, guys. But before trading in highlands, what is Avalanche? Avalanche is one-layer blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do this by having a higher transaction output of 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. Now, where can you guys trade or haul this guy? So they're in Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, FTX, Huobi Global, Gate.io. So they're on the big ones, guys. And this is number 11 on the list. So let's check out their price ratings. So they get a B October 22nd, 2021, and they got a B from a triple B from a Positive Outlook. Top 96%. That's crazy. Look how many cryptos are out there. 17,746. Like, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies, guys. So understand that not all cryptos are being have a price rating. There is a lot, so it doesn't mean it's better. But I do prefer the ones that do. I mean, look at that. It's already moving rank, stuff like that. But here's some of the news, guys. Why Avalanche on the comeback comes with a caveats. And looking at some of that stuff, this is like a lot of the coin market cap news. So if you want to check it out, guys, here is what some of the available posts. Also, let's get to the website. So digitalize all the world's assets. Avalanche is the fastest smart contracts platform in the blockchain industry, as measured by a time to finality, and has one of the most validators in securing its activity of proof of stake protocol. Join the team, guys, if you want to. You guys want to learn more, please check out the website. Let's head strictly to their Twitter page. 601,000 followers. Post all their news and relevant things. Oh wow, tier 1 tickets on sale. Check it out, guys. It's for their March 27th. But guys, also follow me on Twitter as Andre McClendon. I talk about a lot of political stuff, trading stuff that I don't do so much on my YouTube channel because of YouTube reasons. But if you guys want to follow me there, please do. Let's get to that price prediction, guys. So, like most cryptos, they have been heading down against some down pressure. But when it comes to this one specifically, this one might be heading not too much lower. But I think I do feel that it is going to head down lower. And I missed the buying opportunity when it comes to this right here. Especially with this big zone right here, okay? Let's get into it. So I'm on the daily. Oops. All right. Let's see right here. So it already broke. It already is following this trend right here. It hit this trend line, went back down, broke this current trend up right here to head down lower. What I think is going to happen is that it's going to attempt to hit this $51 level. Now that are 51 to 53, just about, and this is where my price prediction is heading right here, guys. My price prediction is going to be $53, make it flat. So $53 flat. So if it does hit this, I believe that it's going to have a big pushback, especially because it just reattempted this right here, and it reattempted it over here. So multiple attempts again, and I don't know if it's going to hold or break. It might not, but at this current $53 level, it might get some pushback, like through here, and add more wicks. So once again, guys, price alert at my price prediction at $53. It might wick lower and then head back up higher to start that trend. And if it does, then I can have a different conversation about it going higher, since this trend line is so high. So it might bounce and have a big room. We're talking about like $30 of room up. It can do that. I don't know how long it will take, but that's my attack on this, my assumption of where it's going to go. And if you have any questions, guys, let me know. My plan is for the first current price at $68, it's going to drop down to $53. Boom. It might wick down lower, but it might head up higher to bounce up higher. There's enough cushion room from the trend line, so it might go to the current support zone to the top of the trend line, bounce down lower. that can be a good solid trade right there, that chunk. But that's my exception, guys. If you have any questions or comments about that, but just let me know in the bottom. But let's get to my website. And we'll learn more about statistical data. I'm updating my website, adding things about precious metals, adding a category for countries and stuff like that. So let me know which ones, how I can update if you guys have any input about that. Also, if you guys want to be a part of my trading mentorship, I have it on a one-on-one basis. Not everyone can be approved because I have only a limited amount of time. But hit get started today or open up some trading accounts and stuff like that. But let's get to the indicators, guys. So you want to trade, getting some indicators for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Please check it out. Or these 3 links down here for their websites. If you're looking for a custom indicator or EA or trading range block, let me know. I do have those available. I do create them so we can talk about it. But guys, that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.